Hi, I'm Pam Heller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert.
And I'm Erica Botker, AccuQuilt's creativity expert.
The winter holidays are coming and there are ornaments to be made. With the Go Ornaments Medley Die, there's no need for difficult to cut templates or even paper patterns.
That's right.
You can cut up to 12 pre-fused ornaments and hangers in just one pass through any of our Go cutters.
That's right. Now before we get started with our die and cutting some ornaments, let's take a look at our project.
The project is the 12 Gifts of Christmas Throw Quilt, and it's a free pattern at AccuQuilt.com. So let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out.
All right, Erica, let's talk about our background squares to begin with.
Okay.
These are 10.5-inch squares. They finish to 10 inches.
Right.
So you could use our 10-inch finished Go Big square die.
That's right.
And these are a sample of the ornaments on the ornament die. Aren't they super cute?
They are so adorable.
Now, Erica, do you want to talk about the pieces in the middle?
So the designer hand cut some little designs for the centers of these, but you don't have to hand cut anything. We have applique shapes for little stars, snowflakes,
yes,
hearts that would be darling on here as well.
Now, also, this is ribbon. You could use fabric as well.
That is so fun. It makes it so simple and easy.
All right, and then this is our 2-inch finished classic alphabet.
Right.
So, Erica, we were talking about maybe you could use these words, but you could also personalize it with all the names of the people in your family,
right,
or other holiday words.
And we talked about the border too.
Right. This is our 2-inch strip die.
Okay.
It finishes to 1.5 inches.
Right.
And then what's this, Erica?
Well, this checkerboard effect is created also using that same 2-inch cut strip die. You cut strips of your alternating fabrics, sew them together, turn them sideways, cut them again on the die. That'll make the most perfect 4 patches you've ever seen.
And we have a bunch of videos on our Facebook page and YouTube channel
Absolutely.
on how to cut those 4 patches. Now, this outer border is a 3.5-inch, 3-inch finished strip,
right,
which is also used here in the pattern. And then, Erica, what's this fun little block?
So we're finished off in the 4 corners with a block made from the Go Weather Vane die.
It's beautiful.
Now, this makes an 8-inch finished block. So what we've done is used our 2.5-inch, 2-inch finished strip die to create a border so that it'll match up with that 10-inch finished square above it. And it's just a really fun star effect to put in the corners to finish off this project.
Perfect. All right, let's cut some strip.
All right. Now, you can always cut up to 4 layers of pre-fused fabric on our cutters, but how about cutting the shapes out of craft foam or felt to make a no-sew project with kids and teens? The packaging gives you some great additional fun ideas for projects using this Go Ornaments Medley die.
All right, Erica. So there, yep, we're gonna.
These are the little tops.
I know, aren't they cute? And
They're
the little
adorable.
hole.
We're gonna cut a couple different colors. Yes, this is our hole so that you can
put the ribbon through.
Yep. And then we're gonna cut out our different shapes. I just love these. They're that vintage flair. They're just classic shapes and so fun. Okay, we're going to use a 6x12 mat, and this die will fit through any of our cutters, including the Go Me.
I think this is such a fun project die. You can add it to so many things. You could add it to the tree skirt or the oven mitt,
yes,
or you could even do Christmas stockings with it. It's just so fun.
Well, and this will really, we've got so many dies that make great ornaments. We've got the little mitten, we've got our gnome.
Oh, yes.
We've got great snowflakes and trees on our holiday medley. So there's a lot of ornaments that you can make beyond just the ornament shapes.
There you go.
All right, let's take a look. Oh, I just love these.
They're so cute.
Okay.
All right, so Erica, what we have here is one of the sections with the 10.5-inch blocks.
Okay.
the squares. So we're not going to iron anything down. We're just going to kind of lay our pieces out so people can see some ideas.
Right.
And then we've already kind of pre-cut some words that say family. So we can kind of just show you some ideas to applique your project. Really, whatever you want to do, it's really kind of a blank board and however you want to decorate it.
Right.
All right, so I'm going to start here with this. And
here's the top.
There's the top right here. And then do we have a dark circle for the
Oh, yes,
center?
there's the dark circle for your center.
Excellent, because I have the light circle for yours. Okay, so you could trade this out. You could make it the same color. Look at how fun that is.
So cute. And then.
And I love how in the pattern they're at different heights.
Yes.
Kind of gives that look like they've been strung on a
on your tree, hanging from your tree.
All right, Erica, why don't you put the little.
Yep, we can just put this little dot up right up there.
Perfect. And now if you want to get some of the letters.
Okay, so let's spell out family. Always great for the holidays, right?
Always. And again, I think this would be so fun if you put your kids' or grandkids' names on it. Everybody could think of a word that describes the holidays.
This would be a great gift for a grandmother or a great-grandmother.
Mm-hmm. Look at how pretty that looks. And I think it would be really fun. This particular quilt is just these two red and creams, but you could totally make it scrappy. The ornaments could be different colors. It would be really pretty.
Options. Absolutely. All right, now it's time to decide how you're going to finish the block off. Of course, we have free downloadable embroidery designs available for you on our website. We have a blanket stitch, a motif stitch, and a satin stitch. And maybe you want to purchase some of our for purchase download designs on our website, or just use a decorative stitch on your sewing machine, or stitch just inside the edge with your straight stitch for some raw edge applique.
Now, once the quilt top is complete, layer it on top of batting and backing, pin or baste, and quilt as desired. Use your favorite binding method to complete the quilt.
So be sure to share your finished projects with us on all our social media platforms, because at AccuQuilt, we help you cut time
so you can quilt more.